Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Do a little quick mod here today. I got some painted mirror caps I'm going to take off and or put on, I'm sorry, and I'm going to show y'all how to do that. It's the first time for me too, so what I noticed is, you know, there's some tabs. There's two here on the top and one on the left on the driver's side. This doesn't, I don't think I can reach that one down low. So this is what I'm thinking right here. If I guess I should have turned the power on, but I don't even know if y'all can even see in there. There's a little tab right there. I'm going to hit down with the screwdriver. And there's also, see if I can get my phone. See if the flash will. Actually, I got a better light. I got a O light. This sucker right here will light up the world. So if there's a tab right there, there's another one right there, and there's another one right there. I'm pretty sure y'all can see that. All I got is a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to push those tabs and see if this sucker will pop off. I know there's another one right here. I'm probably going to break that, but it doesn't matter because I've got a tab. I mean, I've got the other cap, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put this right here and hopefully you can kind of see it. I don't have a mount or anything, but so I'm just gonna, I can't even see it. So I'm gonna push that one down. Push that one down. I think we'll get to this one too. Be careful not to break the glass, but I think I got it. Most people wouldn't do this, but I'm just going to wedge a screwdriver in here. I'll be careful. Oh yeah. Oh. I did leave a little mark. So that pops off. And I'm probably going to break this one, and I know that ahead of time. It broke. But it doesn't matter because I got a new cap. So you can see that I broke this one, and there was one here I couldn't quite get to. I got this one, I got this one, and I got that one. So this is what I broke, but I don't need it because I've got it on the new piece. Now if I didn't have it on the new piece, I'd have probably took a lot more time than I did. So I'm gonna push that bottom one in. Hell, they all clicked in already, just like that. Sweet. And of course I'll go back through here and just make sure the clips are lifted back up. But real quick, super quick mod, but it makes it look a lot better. As you can see, I hadn't done this side yet, but I'm gonna leave the door handles black. I kind of like the black. I'm gonna get rid of the chrome bumpers and such, but just this right here makes it look a lot better in my opinion. But anyway, I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll show a complete video. Alright, so it took me literally like 6 minutes total to do everything, if that, and that's just because I was kind of taking my time. But there's super simple, guys. There's a clip here and one here and one here, and you're going to break this one. There's a little clip that you push over, and then on the top you just push down on each one and pry it out, and just pry from the top down. It'll come off. In my opinion, it looks 100 times better. Like I said, I'm going to keep the door handles black. I put lariat sport headlights on it, badges, wheels, XL grill, and I'm going to get a replacement winch or a replacement front bumper and rear bumper and a winch. And I got a 2.5 inch rail lift on it with 37 1350s, 37 1350 20s on it right now, ridge grapplers, but I'm going to end up either putting a 4-inch BDS or I just want a little bit higher is all. But that's simple, quick mod. Give it a try. I got these off of eBay. They were kind of pricey. There was $199 paint matched, come matched, already painted. I'm sure you can get the black ones and have them painted by somebody else. I just didn't want to deal with all that, but that's the look I like right there, and it looks 100 times better than me. But hey, look, if this video was helpful to y'all in any way, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this little old channel. It's taking forever, but I'm doing the best I can. I'll put a list of the mods I have on the truck in the video description as well. I got that new Way Safe hitch. It's a steel one. Most of them are aluminum. I got the new steel version. I got some hammer locks for my tow chains. Some inlays on the Super Duty for the tailgate. Just little things here and there. But anyway, like I said, appreciate y'all watching. If it helped you in any way, you got any questions, you got any ideas for another video, just ask away in the comments. And appreciate y'all again. God bless, and please like and subscribe.